Hey, in this video, I will show you how to follow everyone on TikTok at once. So if you appreciate me making a video, just slap the like button, click the subscribe button. And in my situation, I'm following 105 people, so I'm following everyone at once. It's not too hard, but it's also not very easy. But you might be following a few thousand people. So just unfollowing a few thousand people can be difficult, especially it can get you a lot of action blocks and so on, and even shadow ban, which I discussed in another video. So something you can do here is click on the three dashes at the top right corner, go to settings and privacy. Here you want to go all the way down to report a problem. Under report a problem, you want to go to account and profile. Here you want to go to profile page, and here it says others cannot see my newly uploaded videos, new posts, see videos, see content, maybe profile view history, how to turn off. Click on other. Here you want to see, might take a few seconds to load. You want to see no, it was not helpful or need more help. And here you want to explain that you followed a lot of people and now you want to unfollow them, but you don't want to get shadow banned. So you would request X amount to be removed. If you have any questions about that, let me know in the comment section down below and I will try to help you out. Like the video for the algorithm.